Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. Let's try Smith-Morra gambit. Doesn't accept it. Still hope I've got an advantage here. If he takes, then bishop takes c6, I'll win the queen on d4. Pick that up from Reddit at some point. It's yeah, okay. I think this is right, not the most exciting, but it's okay, surely. Let's do here. Keep central. Bishop c4, an idea. Knight it looks a little bit, I'm on the passive side unfortunately. Can I do this? Let's change off bishops. Knight g4 coming up, maybe. Oh, that's looking dangerous. Yeah, it's pretty solid actually. Let's do here. Oh crikey. Alright, better take that. Might not be the end of the world, but I didn't expect that. Is there rook c5 on bishop h5? Actually, rook c5. He's weakened his dark squares with that little tactic. Bishop h5, rook c5. We rook c5 here. I can threaten a4. Actually, queen b2 threatens a4 to trap the bishop. I'm not sure his tactic was brilliant because that rook c5 could be useful to get over here as well. Maybe I should have done that. Maybe I should do it here. It's d5 opening up this diagonal. Or rook g5. This is a little bit whimsical. Attacking. Don't know if whimsical is the right word. A little bit attacking. Don't know. Alright, let's do this crazy stuff. Bishop d4, trying to get to his king. Maybe knight g4, I'm transforming the position a little bit into an attacking position. So bishop g7 is threatened. Okay. Knight g4 for bishop f6. It looks as though he's on the defensive. Got him on bishop f6 is immediately a threat now. Bishop f6 here is interesting. 2 pawns. What about h4? Is that something more interesting? H4, is that more dangerous? It takes knight f6. Yeah, I think this is great piece coordination here. I got him thinking. So yeah, how does he actually defend this? I'm going to undermine the structure with h6. Yeah, I'm pleased that having the passive position before, well, it was his tactic. He's given me a very, very interesting position. I can take and then h6. Treble pressure on g7. Quadruple pressure with h6. Still gonna. Okay, rook takes. You get 5 times the pressure he's got with another pawn as well. There's rook f4 here, isn't there? Got him on the run, I think. Hg, king g8. I'm wondering queen e6. Is it some sort of knockout blow? What about rook g7? Alright, as long as I don't get mated over here, I can just take the rook on f7. He resigns. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that was a bit of a. Oh, I didn't expect that. It was a major transformation of the position from nothing to do to. Yeah, his tactics seemed a little bit on the dodgy side. I think he needed his dark square control. It's like this tactic. Well, the engine's suggesting, okay, bishop takes, and then yeah, I played it immediately. The engine's suggesting this is okay. I was threatening a4. This is crazy. d5 is liked by the engine. Yeah, I kind of like this position. I thought it had some dynamic. Now much better. But what does he do here? Alright. Okay. Is that the end of the attack? Apparently it's defendable, yeah. He fluffed things up with that, it seems. Now he's getting murdered. Yeah, I think this is all over. If he played here,
check.
Is this a mate then? Oh, bishop e5 check. Yeah, let's put queen in front. Okay, wow, didn't expect that. Comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks so much.